So I have this set of 5 biscuit cutters. When you receive the biscuit cutters, they will come linked together with this here. So what you do is you open this up, you just pull it apart. This is the largest biscuit cutter. This is 8 centimeters or 3 1/4 inch. This one is 7 centimeters or 2 3/4 inch. This one is 6 centimeters or 2 1/4 inch. 5 centimeters or 2 inches. And then this one is 4 centimeters or 1 3/4 inch. So actually I'm going to make some biscuits and I will show you how to use the biscuit cutter. Okay, so here's the biscuit cutter I'm using. It is 7 centimeters or 2 3/4 inch. So I'm going to put some flour on the inside of that. Okay, and then I'm just going to go straight down into the dough and pull straight up.